Hey friends, today we learn how to make your own sound in TikTok. For that, first of all, go to Play Store, click on search screen recorder, click on install and install the screen recorder, and then go to YouTube or open the sound you want to use. Then record the sound. After record your sound, simply open TikTok. Click on add icon. Click on upload. Upload the recorded song. Click on next. Then click on next. Then click on pause. Then open profile. Reload your profile. And click on lock icon. Here you see your video you post on TikTok. Simply click on sound. Click on use sound. And now make a TikTok on your own sound. If you like our video, please subscribe.